Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, my name is Louis Andre, and today I'm gonna be teaching you how to use a hair dryer. And I know that some of you haven't used a hair dryer before, but that's totally fine. I used to be scared myself of a hair dryer, but again guys, a hair dryer, it's not just for girls or hairstylists. A hair dryer just dries your hair and takes the moist out of your hair. That's what it does, nothing else than that. And it actually is gonna make your hair look sharper, shinier, and it's gonna help you overall look way better, and again stand out from the crowd, which that's one of the main points from this channel, to stand out from the crowd, stand out from your friends, stand out from your family, stand out from your co-workers, stand out from everybody, and actually be unique. And this process, it's actually gonna take 5 to 7 minutes to do out of your daily routine. It's not gonna hurt you. You grab the hair dryer, your hairspray, and a brush, and that's actually it. The rest of it, you just do it with your hands, and you actually style and give yourself a better look, pretty much. And all the products that I'm going to be using today are going to be linked down below, and also another thing that is going to be linked down below, or it's actually right next to me right now, it's my Instagram page. If you guys can go follow me there and like my post. I know that some of you come from Instagram, but there's some of you that are new, and thank you again for subscribing to my channel. But if you want to go and see more fashion advice, more fashion looks, go to my Instagram. It's at @reallouisandre, or you see it right here, and just go follow me. Okay guys, so let's start with the tutorial if you want to get and achieve this look. So let's go. The products that I'll be using today are the Daily Defense. It's a leave-in conditioner, and it has coconut oil and vitamin E. The second product, it's an edge gel by Argan Oil. I have it in brown, and it works amazing. And this one right here, I've been using it for 6 months already, and I love it. It's the Nexus Salon Hair Care Hairspray. And finally, the Gatsby Hairspray. I found that in Hong Kong. I haven't been able to find it here in the States, but it works amazing. I usually use this for photo shoots or events for a longer hold. I'm going to start with the Daily Defense. It's a leave-in conditioner, and it makes my hair smoother and easier to blow dry. I start from the back and move myself towards the front. Then with the comb, I parten the back of the hair to start blow drying it. Since I have leave-in conditioner, it's easier to brush. I like to start with the back of my hair because that's what's going to give my hair some support. Here's a tip for you guys. It's important that you start blow drying your hair in the direction that you want it to end up in. Don't start going all crazy and blow drying it all over the place. Always give it direction. The direction also will really help with that. I like to blow dry my hair with rotation to the back to give it volume and wave. If you don't want too much volume, then you just got to blow dry it down. Something to keep in mind, don't keep the heat on the same position for too long, or you're going to burn your scalp. And try to hold the hair dried about 6 to 7 inches away from your hair if it's possible, especially if your hair dryer is too strong. Once you're done basically sculpting your hair with the hair dryer, can give some nice waves, and your hair will sit in the position that you like. Once you're done basically sculpting your hair with the hair dryer, start using your fingertips to give some nice waves, and your hair will sit in the position that you like. Then with your hands, start giving it some style. When you're happy with how it looks, then it's time to start applying some finishing products. Right now I'm going to start using the Argan Oil Super Hold Edge Gel. I'm going to spread it in the palms of my hand and start applying it throughout my hair. I start giving it some texture and movement. Keep in mind that this part is very important because that's when you guys are going to position the hair in the style that you want. Also, with the palm of your hand, spread a little bit in the edge of your hairline to keep those baby hairs in place. Then start brushing the side with the comb to start finalizing the look. Here I'm going to start using the Nexus hairspray. Here's one of my secrets when using the hairspray. Don't start spraying it on the top of your hair, but start from the roots because it's going to give some support to the hair. Then start parting your hair in the direction that you want it to sit. Don't spray too much, just enough to give volume and support. Then with your hand, start styling it. And with the hairspray, start positioning it to the style that you want. Then after you're done with the hairspray and styling it, I'm going to grab the Gatsby hairspray. I grabbed this hairspray in Hong Kong. I haven't found it here in the States. I totally recommend it for longer hold. I usually use this for photo shoot or if I'm having an event. Okay guys, if you made it this far from the video, again, thank you very much for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, please give the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and please share the video. And also don't forget to go to my Instagram at @realluandre and hit that follow button. Thank you very much and see you in the next one. Bye.